Affiliate marketing tips you need to know. When you read about affiliate marketing, you may feel overwhelmed. There are so many tips, techniques, and strategies out there that it can feel like you'll never sort out the good information from the bad. In this video, you'll find only the best affiliate marketing tips, without any of the fluff. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. There is no doubt that successful affiliate marketing does take a lot of consistent effort. Start by finding a niche, a topic, that is interesting to you. This way you will enjoy writing the content and building the niche website. Then find services and products that you can promote on your site. Then you can successfully market for an affiliate, and make some extra cash while doing so. Don't worry about sorting through video after video. Now that you've watched this video, you know everything you need to move forward in affiliate marketing. While there are many tips out there, the ones listed here are among the most essential and will give you some of the most impressive results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.